Here are some great gift ideas to bring along with you. It's a recovery kit for your hosts. The founder and CEO of Bathorium, Greg McDonald, has all the relaxing details. And it's not just your products here, you've kind of curated a selection for us.
Yeah, I've brought along a few of my other favorite Canadian wellness brands that are all non-toxic and create great host gifts or host recovery if you're the host with the most.
Right. That needs some post
recovery,
right?
Yes,
we practiced this.
It didn't go well.
So this is really something nice. So it's like after the party is gone and all the guests have left.
Yep.
Just forget about the mess in the kitchen and go have a nice relaxing soak
Exactly.
or a way to do the dishes. We'll talk about that. But why don't we start over here?
Yes. So first brand that I brought along is Love Fresh, Toronto brand. It's been around for ages. I've been obsessed with it for about 10 years now. Amazing home and body gifts and products. So we're highlighting the pear wash. So it's a pear hand wash. Looks great in the bathrooms. And it's great when your guests come over, they're going to ask about it because it smells so good.
Okay.
Yes.
They're going to leave the bathroom and then you're going to know that they washed their hands.
Exactly. You're setting them up for success.
Yes.
Next is Lawn. So this is a candle company based out of Toronto. They don't use any artificial fragrances, so it's all essential oil based, and it burns clean. It's so beautiful. It's like Christmas in a vessel, but it doesn't have that like you're in a Christmas tree smell. So it's my absolute favorite. I burn these all the time.
It's very, very subtle and it's not overpowering. Okay, now your stuff. Okay, I can attest to this. I have almost your entire product line in my bathroom because I love this stuff so much. I think you were on the show during the pandemic and I'm like, oh, I'm going to try some of this. And it's awesome.
Amazing. I love that we made a convert out of you. It's amazing. Like after the guests leave, you want to soak in a tub, or it's a great thing to bring if you're actually not the host and you're going to go to someone's place. It makes a great gift. It's under $50 and it gives them 6 different bath varieties to choose from. And you can feel good about gifting it, and they can always break it apart and then gift it out as little stocking stuffers or other gifts.
Okay, here's something for the mixologist.
Yes, this is when you're hosting. So this is from Cocktail Emporium, based out of Toronto also. In the pandemic, I took up homemade mixology.
Okay.
And I discovered this company. They have everything you need for bartending at home and entertaining. And this is their copper set. It's so beautiful, and you feel like an actual bartender. It's wonderful. So another gift under $100. Great gift to bring, but also great to host and shake up some holiday cocktails.
Okay. And if it's a really special host, maybe bring along a bottle, right? With it?
Yeah, with a little recipe card. Yeah,
now something very relaxing, tea.
Yes, this is Tea's Tea, based out of Ottawa. What I love so much about this brand is that it doesn't contain any artificial fragrances or flavors. So the actual botanicals that are in there, when it steeps into the cup, you get a really holistic experience. And it's all 100% biodegradable. So you can actually take those little tea bags, put them right in the compost after you're done. So it's nice to serve after your guests have left, or if we're doing a little afternoon soiree. Tea's Tea, really great. And makes great gifts too. Like it's under $20 and you get this beautiful tea tube with 14 bags.
It's beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Okay, now kind of the showstopper, I think, because I thought that this was like a fancy lotion. It's dish soap.
It is dish soap for the people who love to show off their dish soap. It's a small market, but we're gonna make it happen because it's so beautiful. And my fiance only does dishes now if he can use Lavon Collective, based out of Seattle, but they sell through to Canada. Such a wonderful brand, tons of celebrity following, and it's all clean, so it doesn't have any artificial colorants or fragrances. As you can see, I'm very against artificial synthetics, and I found a dish soap that can really create amazing experience. Like you get full lather, but it doesn't have any of the harsh like smells or burning sensation or drying out your hands. I'm obsessed with it, and it looks beautiful on your kitchen counter.
Well, that's when you want to show off. Like mine is underneath the cupboard, right? Underneath the sink, but that I would show off.
We are resurrecting dish soap.
Yes. Now, where can you find all of these? I know you're online.
Yep. A lot of them are, they're all online, and then we actually sell a few of them through the brands we love at bathorium.com.
Okay.
And then you can find Cocktail Emporium based out of Toronto on their website, and then Lavon Collective is lavoncollective.ca.
Okay. We'll get all the links up on our website at chch.com.
Awesome.
Happy recovery.
Yes. Happy recovery to you too.